Hey guys, this is me, and I'm about to show you how we're gonna change how we basically upgrade a memory onto HP Omen 17. This is basically iCore 7, 7th gen laptop, so it's pretty much good. We need to replace the battery as well on this one, so this is going to be two parts of videos, very short videos of how we change um, batteries and RAM. So apparently at the back, the RAM is quite simple. We just turn around the laptop and get a specific screwdriver. So unscrew these screws. There. Just take this one out. As we can see here, we got two slots for memory sticks. You can put 4 GB, two 4 GBs, or two 8 GBs, or two 16 GBs. As per my information, the HP Omen takes up to 32 GB of RAM, this particular model. So there are certain other models that do different size of memory stick, but this one is 32. Basically, just from the side, unclick it, and it will just pop out like that. And you make sure you put the right and correct RAM for your laptop. These ones are okay. Focus. Okay. PC4. I think they are DDR4, PC4, and of course you need to look out for the speed as well. What speed and catch is going to be. So as simple as that. And once we change the RAM, we just put the this is back on and just tie it up, and this is it. As simple as that. Thank you very much.